To quickly add worksheets to your library, click on the heart icon located in the top right corner of the worksheets and bundles you would like to save, download, or print. The heart icon will turn red, indicating this product is in your library. Easily and quickly add or remove products to your library by clicking the heart. You can also add resources to your library by clicking the title of the worksheet. From here, scroll down past the product details and click the purple bar titled Add to Library. This is also where you can assign the worksheet to your students. To assign worksheets to students, click the purple bar titled Assign to Students. Select the due date and choose to assign to all students in your class or assign to individual students. Submit and confirm when finished. To access your library, click your avatar in the top right corner. Go to My Library.